Hello friends, this is from Computer Coding. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about the computer. What is a computer? Simply we can say that a computer is an electronic device that stores and processes data. This is the simple definition for a computer. A computer is mainly consists of two parts. One is hardware and software. Hardware and software both are part of computer and they consisted a computer. We can say that what is hardware? In general, hardware comprises the visible physical elements of the computer. It means that hardware, we can touch the hardware, we can see the hardware, and while it comes to software, we cannot see the software part of a computer. The examples of a hardware is like we have CPU. CPU is hardware of a computer. Memory, like we have RAM. This is random access memory. We can say that random access memory. This is called main memory of the computer. We have storage devices such as hard disks of the computer and such as internal disks or external disks. We have CDs. We have input devices such as the mouse and keyboard. We have output devices such as monitors and printers. We have communication devices such as modems and network interface cards. When we see here, we have when we say to hardware, storage devices, memory, CPU, communication devices, input devices, output devices. All of them are connected with each other through buses, and they are also buses or parts of the hardware of a computer. Memory, CPU, all these devices connect with each other, communicate with each other through bus of computer, which are located on the mainboard of the computer. And when we come to software, we can say that is a set of instructions that perform a simple task or a specific task, or we can say that the softwares tell the computer what to do and what to not do, provides the visible instructions that control the hardware and make it perform a specific task. Actually, we cannot see software itself. A software is installed on a computer, and we see the performance or the works of software. For example, we can say here that for example, operating system. We can say operating systems. Systems are software. Or we can say browsers. Browsers like Google Chrome. Or we have Internet Explorer, or we have Internet Explorer. And much more. We have browsers. Any software we see installed on computer, and they cannot be attached, and we cannot attach them. Actually, the process of creating a software is called programming, or we can say what's programming. The term programming means to create or develop software, which is also called a program. And today this is our first video. If you liked our video, if you would like to see our next videos in programming, then please subscribe to our channel, and we will provide videos in programming. Thank you. Bye for today.